Hello, welcome to Anderson Woodworks. I'm Brian Anderson. This is a tea cabinet that I am going to put on Kickstarter to try and raise some funds to get it finished. The project will end up in a gallery downtown, but it's a tea cabinet based off a design I like. So James Kiernoff, he has similar looking tea cabinets, but I thought it'd be cool to make one. As you can see, I've got the base is already done. The upper cabinet is in progress. It's all hand cut dovetails. That's how the case gets put together. Right now it's not glued together, it's just dry fit is what we call it. When you fit them and you can put it together and it'll stay as a box. So I still have a back to put in, some shelving and some doors, but what I need to do is there'll be two partitions in there and then a door left and right that are frame and panel doors, and it'll be a cherry frame because everything else is made out of cherry. So it'll be a cherry frame with a bird's eye maple panel and then an inlay on that of flowers, which you will see in this video later. And then there'll be glass shelves in the center so you can display teapot, glasses, whatever. On one side will be just open shelving. On the other side behind the door will be little boxes that open up that you can put loose leaf tea or bag tea in. So that is kind of the deal. Will be on Kickstarter, so we welcome people to donate funds to it if they want. There are prizes if you donate a certain amount. This project has been, I started it last year this time, around Christmas time. It's a design that I did, like I said, based off James Kiernoff. And yeah, we look forward to seeing whoever wants to get involved. It'll be really, really pretty when it's done. I have the plans. It'll be the beginning of the video. So hope to see some movement. All right, thank you. Bye.